guys, Saving with Shay. I am here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. Look, I know I've been popping out videos like a lot lately, but the deals have really been awesome. And I think it's a bit refreshing. I ain't even gonna lie. It's a bit refreshing. I'm like, what? Are y'all trying to give us stuff for free? Are y'all trying to pay us to take stuff? Okay. I'm gonna take it. And so for starters, listen. For starters, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well. So listen, I posted the video real quick yesterday. Like, I was just gonna do a community post, but I know only a small percentage of you guys actually see my community posts, and I really wanted more of you guys to get out and get this deal. You know, these kids is home eating us out of house and home for the summer, and so well, let me stop, because Josiah, he ain't gonna eat no dang frozen chicken. The boy don't eat ice cream, don't eat cake, don't eat chicken, don't eat that. I was like, are you even a little boy? Because when I was your age, I ate everything. But for those of you who, you know, wanted to get out and get that deal, I hope you guys got it. And so today, I need a total of 15 offers for $3. I should be able to hit that today. Hopefully we'll hit that today. I do have a few deals that I'm gonna do at Target. They open at 7, so they'll be open in like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go in Walmart, do this, and then we'll shoot over there really quick. And so other than that, nothing else I can add. I'm gonna head into Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you guys want to see what I got, definitely keep on watching.
Alright guys, so this first deal is on the Ribbony Organics. This is a social nature offer. They are priced at $3.98. You're going to get that back, making this absolutely free. This next deal is on the Tyson. There's some awesome rebates. If y'all watched my video yesterday, there's a variety of different ways that you can do this based on what you like, what you want, what offers you have available to you. It is a triple stack, so we do have this item on Ibotta, Swagbucks, and Shopkick as of right now. It's still there. Oh, here they are right here. The country fried steak patties. I like those. And so for this, make sure you're scanning the items, you guys, between the apps. Make sure that you're make sure the one that you're grabbing is attaching to the offer you want it to. All right, so there's 3 offers on Ibotta. They're buy one, get one free offers. There's one for buy one, get one free on the 1244 one, the 847 one, and on the 646 one. So what I did is I grabbed 2 of the this one here for the chicken patties, priced at $6.46. I paid $12.92, got back $6.46 on Ibotta for buying 2. I got back 6 on Swagbucks, and I also got back 500 kicks for each one, or $4 from Shopkick. Now I did have a brand club survey for 15 cents as well, so it made both bags free plus a $3.69 money maker. The other thing that I grabbed was the chicken strips. I know a lot of y'all, my video yesterday was saying chicken strip salads and wraps and stuff. I was like, ooh, that sounds good. But I did grab the strips here, priced at $8.47. I grabbed 2 of them. I paid $16.94 out of pocket, got back $8.47 on Ibotta, $8 on Swagbucks, and then 550 kicks for each one on Shopkick, which is $4.80. And then for this one, I had brand club surveys for 25 cents and 20 cents. Made them both free plus a $4.78 money maker. Now, I didn't grab the larger bags yesterday. You want to grab this one, which I might just grab this one. Only thing is when I submitted my receipt yesterday on Shopkick, I clicked the wrong offer. I clicked the one for the grilled chicken, so I have to wait for that one to come back. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be approved, and I'll have to put a ticket in for the correct one. But I can't scan this bag to see if it's going to work. I assumed that it would work, but they are priced at $12.44. So if you want, you can grab 2 of those. You'll end up paying $24.88 out of pocket, but you'll get back $12.44 on Ibotta for buying 2. You'll also get back $8 on Swagbucks, and then 550 kicks on Shopkick are $4.80, making them both free plus 36 cents. So I might just do this one, y'all. because it's still free. You know, it's still free, and you freeze it, yeah, and it'll be there when you're ready for it. And so, not a bad deal if this is something that you don't eat, because I know there are some of you guys that don't like the processed stuff. You can always donate to your local pantry, neighbor, friend, family. Somebody will take it, I'm sure. And so, all right. So next up is the macaroni and cheese. I didn't have this offer on my Ibotta anymore, but it just popped back up. I was short 2 offers, so I decided to go ahead and grab 2 of these, priced at 108. Getting back 50 cents on Ibotta makes them only 58 cents per box. So this next deal is on the Pure Life. It has to be on certain ones, but this extra sweet tea right here, this one does work. It's priced at $1.98, and for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You will end up paying a total of $3.96 out of pocket. You'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's also a $1.98 aisles offer, which is just a free one. And then I have 2 brand club surveys, 30 cents and 25 cents, making them both free, plus a 57-cent money maker. This next deal is on the Raid Max. They finally restocked. I was so excited. It's priced at $5.47, getting back 3 on Ibotta. I also did $1 on ShopMe and $1 on Swagbucks, bringing this down to only 47 cents. All right, guys. I'm over here knocking stuff down. She was over here making stuff looking so pretty, I don't think I could work here at Walmart, y'all. You know, I'm a little OCD already as it is. I would never get nothing done because I would have to go back and fix stuff that people messed up. But listen, I went ahead and grabbed this on the Steam. It is priced at $7.37, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. I also got back $2.50 on ShopMe and $2.50 on Swagbucks as well, making this a 38-cent money maker. I actually ended up grabbing this one again as well. It's priced at $4.62. Getting back $2.50 on Ibotta and $2.50 on Inbox Dollars makes this a 38-cent moneymaker. Now, if you have it on Alexa or ShopMe, I did that in my last haul, and it made it an even bigger moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on Colgate. Now, for this, I went ahead and grabbed the Colgate Optic White Pro Serum. So you can grab that one, or you can grab this one. I grabbed this one because it's on rollback and it's priced more. And this is the one that I actually use right now. And so I grabbed that at $7.96. Bam. And then I also grab the Colgate 360 right here, priced at $5.22. So both are gonna come to $13.18. You'll get back $3 for the toothpaste, $2 for the toothbrush on Ibotta. Plus, there's 1,360 points on my points, which is $8.55. If you're doing Swagbucks, it's just $8, making them both free, plus a 37-cent. Okay, now really quick, you can also do this for Walmart rewards, which is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna grab a second set on a separate transaction, and I'll be getting back that $5 on Walmart rewards and $8 on Swagbucks, making another set absolutely free. All right, guys. So I went ahead and grabbed the secret deal again. I went ahead and grabbed both. You might still have offers on, did I say that kind of weird? You might still have offers on Ibotta or Walmart rewards, $2 on the spray and $1 on the sticks. So the sticks are priced at $5.97, getting back 1,150 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4.60. I do have a brand club survey as well for 20 cents, making it $1.17. And then again, if you have the $1 offer on Ibotta or Walmart rewards, it would make it like 17 cents. And then with the sprays, they are priced at $6.97, getting back 1,150 kicks, which is again $4.60. I have a 15-cent brand club survey for that, making it $2.22. And of course, again, if you have the $2 offer on Ibotta or Walmart rewards, it would make it only 22 cents, which is definitely an awesome deal. All right, guys, so this next deal is on the Dove Scope and Hair Therapy. I know y'all tired of hearing about this deal, right? But it's gotten better. So it's on this one. This is the one that's in the box. No, actually, I take that back. I don't think it matters, but this one goes here. There's the one in the box that's there. And they are priced at $9.98, getting back 1,800 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $7.20, plus your $2 on Ibotta. Our Walmart rewards, whichever one you have, bringing them down to only 78 cents, which is so freaking awesome. Now, the limit is a limit of 1, so I've been grabbing one of this one, and the box one. And so, yeah, awesome deal.
Really quick, there's a lot of clearance, especially with Shea Moisture. A lot of stuff is on clearance over here. I notice curl starters, all this stuff right here is all clearanced out. It needs to be a little bit more clearance than that. Check your stores if this is products that you use. A lot of this stuff is clearance. I don't know if we have rebates for any of this. I don't think we do, though. And so, yeah. Yeah, so anyway, so listen.
I had to do this deal again as well. It's on the larger bottles. This is on the 31-ounce bottle. It's on the Dove Intensive Repair. Now for this, you can grab one of them at $8.46, get back two on Ibotta, 1,250 kicks on Shopkick, which is $5. It makes it $146. Now the limit on Shopkick, I think, is 3 with this. So I just grabbed 2 of them. Share this deal with y'all. Look, it's in my haul because it's a part of my deal. So it's on the Olay Indulgent Moisture. These are on rollback for $9.97. Now the kicks for this had went up to like $2,600. Like an hour or so after I posted my video, it went up to $3,000. I was like, what the hell? I wish I would have waited a little bit longer, but I didn't want to wait and be asked out. So I grabbed one at $9.87. The scan kicks was $110, so I got back a total of 2,710 kicks, which is $10.84. So it made it free plus an 87-cent moneymaker, which is awesome. All right, so we finally made it over to Target. This first deal is going to be on the Perfect Bar. It's on the chocolate brownie one. It's priced at $2.69. Now, this is a free offer through Aisles. I'll have a link for you in the description, making this absolutely free. I think I do have a brand club survey for like 15, 20 cents, something like that. And so we'll toss that in as well, making it a little moneymaker. So this next deal is a Social Nature offer. It's on the solely organic fruit gummies. It says they're $4.99, but this is an old tag, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna scan for the regular price, which should be $5.49. Getting that back on Social Nature makes it absolutely free. There's one for the box, and there's also one for the little single packs as well, which are priced at $1.89. Getting that back. I think I have brand club surveys for these as well, making them a tiny. Right, so this next deal was the last deal, is on the Steam Insect Light Trap. It's priced at $19.99. I was looking online. It said they had one for $17.79. But if you grab this one, there's a $10 Target Circle. You'll pay $9.99 and get back 10 on Ibotta. But they have another one. It's on a different section. So let's go find that one because we want that $2 moneymaker. I found it. So listen, this is the last deal. So we made it to the last deal. Hooray for you. In the comments, I want to see flowers. Give me some flowers. I don't know if I've done flowers before, but give me flowers in the comments if you got to the last deal. I don't know why they have these in 2 different spots, and they literally are the same freaking thing. Like, I don't see what the difference is. But anyway, so listen, we're gonna grab one at $17.79. There it goes right there. We have a $10 Target Circle. We're going to pay $7.79 and get back 10 on Ibotta. So to make this a $2.21 moneymaker. So I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today, you guys. This was such an amazing haul. I got like 6 bags of chicken, y'all. Ended up doing the higher priced bags. Everything is still pending on Shopkick. Again, my receipts have been taking a little longer. And so hopefully everything will process okay. I did go to CVS and do this Crest deal though. It's 2 deals though. This one here is $3.99, buy 2 get 5. And this one is spend 15, get back 7. These are $11.79. So I had 4 off of 1 digitals off of each of these, 2 off of 1 on that one. I had a 4 off of 20. So after all digitals and extra care bucks back, I think it made those like 60-ish cents. I'll have the breakdown in the Google Doc. I think with CVS, I'm gonna start doing at least the oral care deals because my stash is getting really, really low. Like it's getting super duper low, like dangerously low. And so I think what I'm gonna do is just run just the like oral care deals over at CVS. I'm gonna try to make this super duper quick because I have all this frozen stuff and I could barely get it in my freezer, you guys. Like, I'm scared that it's gonna pop open overnight and then everything is gonna be thawed out when we wake up in the morning. I'm hoping that don't happen. I might want to get one of those child-proof straps and strap it on there. The one that the ones that you get when you have little ones. I might have to do that, y'all. You see here retails $261.81. I did have $25.36 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $236.45. And then our sales tax for this haul was $16.10. And we walk away with $79.56 from Shopkick. Ibotta was $64.37. Swagbucks was $33.50. Aisles was $19.67. Walmart Rewards was $14. My Points was $11.76. Social Nature was $11.36. Shopmium was $6.50. Inbox Dollars was $2.50. Brand Club was $1.80. And last but not least was CVS. We had $12 back in extra care bucks, which I actually just rolled it on three of the 6-packs of paper towels. They're in the garage. But I didn't include that, but I just kind of rolled them. I kind of just burnt them because I'm not trying to hold on to no extra care bucks at CVS. And so that's in the garage. And so they walk away with a total of $257.02 in rewards, making everything you see here free plus a $20.57 moneymaker. So this was real awesome, y'all. 6 bags of freaking chicken. On top of everything else that we got here, and we still made 20 bucks. Now, after our tax, which again was $16, we still make just under $5, which is still not bad, to be honest, to be fair. And so other than that, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day and night whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. It's our emoji because Josiah is upstairs watching TV. His emoji is a ball, you guys. I feel like he said a ball before, but if you get to the end, we really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.